Hi everyone, welcome to my very first SolidWorks video. Today we'll be solving a exercise. This is the first exercise of, and we'll use SolidWorks to solve this or design this. So when you open SolidWorks, you'll see this type of interface, and I'm using SolidWorks 2018. If you have previous version, there is no need to worry about that. So without taking time, let's get started. Here you can see two circle and some line command has been used to generate this sketch. Here I have minimized the windows so that I can work easily. So first of all, we have to click sketch, and as it is a 2D drawing, we are using 2D sketch, so any of this plane I can use. So I have used front plane. Here you can see the origin is bit midpoint, so we can shift it by pressing Alt and middle mouse button and drag it here, so that we can make our sketch from here easily. We're using line command first. Just watch. I hope you guys can catch it easily. Here I have used line command, and it's here you can see I'm making the sketch like the right side figure has shown. Here you can see this color basically telling us that the simulation is fully defined. No need to worry, sorry, not fully defined, but we have to give some dimension. It wasn't that like that, it is under defined basically. And we'll be giving dimension. Click smart dimension. Here I have set it to 100 mm, then this is 50, and then it is 80, then it is 150, and this is 100. As you can see here, the sketch is not fully defined. There are some issues we can see. first of all we can put it into 250. Here we can make some relation. Just see, I click here, alt button and press the line. Here we can make it equal but not still fully defined. I have to give this dimension also. It is, I guess, 50 mm. Still is not fully defined. Click here, alt here, and we can make it collinear, I guess. And there are some issue about this. We can make it collinear also. Press this line, alt this line, and we can make it collinear. I think it will make our work really easy. Yes, this sketch is fully defined, as you can see, but there are some issue or not. We haven't made circle yet, and we can make it easily. Just here we have made one circle, here we can make one circle also, but we have to give some dimension also here. As you can see, it is 60, the diameter is 60, I guess. Yes, and this diameter, I think radius is given. We can convert it into diameter. So yes, we made it. And as you can see, it is not yet the point it should be, so we can make some adjustment here. So first of all, click in the center point, click, then click this, first of click here, and make it vertical. Sorry, the relation is not working. I think now it, yes. Now click here, click somewhere here, and first of all click this point, alt button pressed, and here, and make it, I think, not working. It's the horizontal relation. Yes, click in this point, then alt shift alt, then here, then this point again shift this point, and here some issue as it is not how much distance from here to here we have to specify, and it is 80. We can easily give dimension. It's 80, I guess. Yes, I think we are ready to go. We made the necessary things. Yeah, finally the sketch has been created successfully. I hope you guys learn some things that you haven't learn yet. So thank you so much everyone.